What I have here is the LW-PX700, and I'm going to talk about it because I just got it, just opened the box, and by the way, the box is pretty cool because it does come with its kind of a carrying case, hard carrying case, which is really nice because this unit is huge. It's really, really big. It comes with a cartridge that you can actually insert right here. This cartridge is the vinyl one, and I'll show you that in just a bit. But I also ordered some self-laminated cable wraps, and cable wraps basically mean when you're doing patchwork in a network, basically, you are able to wrap the cable and have a flap that tells you what this cable is, where it's going perhaps, or what its use is, which is a really nice thing. We have a bunch of different cartridges that can be put on here. It is rechargeable because there is a battery that comes with it that you can actually use. If you don't want to use this battery, you can actually use regular batteries. Just take that off. You've got regular batteries going up and down like this. So that's a really nice thing. But once that battery is in here from Epson, you can actually just plug it in. They give you all the plugs and everything fits in that carrying case, which is also very nice. But yeah, when you look at this unit, it is definitely a rugged unit. We're going to power it off on. It's got a huge screen, a bunch of memory. So if you have a lot of writing, a lot of labels to do, it's fantastic because you are able to retrieve these memories and kind of like go back to those labels and reprint them if you need to, or if you need to do a lot on a different span of days. No worries there. Love the fact that you have a full QWERTY keyboard, really easy to punch those. It's not like those weird snap keyboard. It's an actual proper keyboard which you feel and very easy to write on. And of course you've got all the menus and all that you can control with that kind of like cursor at the bottom, which is a really nice thing. Everything that's white in here is basically your different type of labels that you can print depending on the cartridge that you have in there. So right now, like I said, we have the vinyl cartridge. I'm just going to write anything that I want, and I'm going to go and say, let's say table. Very original. So you could see table really, really big. It gives me where I can, so I can literally just go back and do that. If I have a mistake or if I mistype something, no problem. I know exactly what size it's going to be. And when I'm ready, I'm going to put it down here. When I'm ready, all I do is press that green button right here, and it's going to not only spit it out extremely quickly, but cut it as well. And look at that. It cuts it exactly for the size of the actual word that you want to write. And you can also ask it to give you some more. So I had like Goman Planet right here, and if I wanted to do a cable wrap in this sense, then I could do that as well because I have some loose or some extra vinyl here. Super durable. I mean, this thing is rugged, rugged, rugged. Love the fact that you can actually mount it as well. I love that you can, with this thing, super easy to carry, or also if you have a hook, you can hook it up anywhere, maybe at your workplace, in a warehouse. This is definitely something that warehouses would definitely use. Network, people that are setting up lots of cables going around. I think this is very, very cool. But yeah, I love the fact that everything comes in this package. It's a full kit and caboodle, and I love the fact that Epson also will make available different types of labels for different type of usage. But yeah, the LW-PX700 is a winner.